In this video from countlab.co.uk we'll be showing you how to replace the main keyboard on the machine. This comes as one part unit and you may need to do this perhaps because something's been spilt on it. As we mentioned before, this is a level 2 technical support video and should only be carried out by a competent person experienced in electronic procedures. So to replace the keyboard is quite simple. As you can see, for the purpose of this video I've actually removed the machine from the drawer. If you don't know how to do this, if you do a search on the CountLab website for CL699, then that video will show you how to remove the drawer. Once you've done this, you're left with the machine in this state. Now you simply turn the machine over, and to gain access to the machine there's a series of screws. So around the outside edge, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. Phillips type screw, number 2 screwdriver usually does the job. Simply remove these screws, which again I've done for the sake of this video to speed it up. Once you've done this, you can now simply remove the cases and place the backing cover like that. Now from here you can now see I've got access to the keyboard. So to replace the keyboard I would simply remove this screw, this screw, this screw, this screw, this screw and this screw. Once I've done that, then I simply remove this cable here, replace the keyboard, put the new cable back in first, and then screw this keyboard unit back using the same screws that I've taken out previously. Once you've done this, put the top case back on again, making sure that the power switch on the side is lined up. This can be pushed in later if need be. And replace the screws around the outside edge. Once this has been done, test it and the machine's ready to go. Thanks for watching this video.